Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register for your Remitly account. So having a Remitly account basically is a very secure and safe way for you to transfer your currency throughout the world. If you're looking for an app that can basically help you to send cash to your friends or families, this is the perfect place to be on. So today I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step instruction on how you can register for an account at Remitly. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've gone to your app store and already downloaded the Remitly app on your mobile device, and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you can see the Join Now button. Tap on the Join Now button in order to begin creating your account. After you tap on the Join Now button, wait for a certain while until the processing is complete and you land on an interface that looks like this. The first thing that you have to do is you have to choose the country that you're sending the money from. So choose a certain country over here, and then choose the country you're sending the money to. So here I'm just going to choose the country that I'm sending the money to as well. After doing this, tap on the next button, and now what you have to do is, in order to create your profile, type in your email address in this section, and then also type in your password that you want to set for your account in this section as well. After doing this, tick mark the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and then tap on Join Remitly. You'll be able to see that within a few seconds time you will have been able to create your own profile, and then you'll get registered for Remitly. So this is basically how it works. It's quite simple, and I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to register for your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video on how to geek. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.